Howdy, folks. So we are leaving Marion, Texas, small little town outside of San Antonio, and we're planning on cutting hay out here. We made one round, figured out that the patch was still too wet, and we planned on cutting it today. Well, overnight the good Lord blessed us with yet another 1.5 inches of rain over here, so we have to kind of throw what you would call a I guess an audible. And so now we're heading up to San Marcos, Texas. We have it's close to 200 acres out there to cut and bale. They haven't got near as much rain, so we're going to give it a shot. Worth a lot of money to us, so we need to go get it done before we get our first freeze. I know some people in the country who watch this will like, man, we've been freezing for a month. Well, down here in Texas, we get a little bit longer growing season. So I'm pulling with my Ram 4500. Better pay attention. It's my Ram 2011 Ram 4500, 6-speed G56 transmission. It's deleted with a tiny tune. I think it has a dual disc. I bought it. I haven't done anything with the clutch. It's holding up with all this heavy weight. So anyway, that's good. I'm pulling our John Deere 4440. It's about a 12,000 pound tractor with weights, and we have a front end loader on it. It's about 2,200. So what is that? 14.2. Plus we're pulling with our 40-foot Texas Pride trailer, two 12,000 pound axles. It's a good pulling trailer, good pulling truck so far. So I guess, what is that, grossed 14.2, and the trailer's about 8,900. So that puts it at what, 22? I'm not good at math. 23,000. So not bad, 23,000. I don't know what the truck weighs. I got all kind of things on it. 100-gallon fuel tank's about half full. Compressor, air compressor, gas powered air compressor. Welder, generator combo, plus it's got the TM bed, I think, so it's got like 6 toolboxes. It's all rigged out with toolboxes with the low profile, so you can still pull a gooseneck with it. So anyway, it's a good pulling setup. I like it so far. I've only had the truck for about a month, but pulled 30,000 pounds with it the other day. It's another video I posted. Go check it out if you haven't already. But anyway, good pulling truck. Alrighty, we made it to San Marcos.
I'm crazy as a loon, 'cause I get stoned in the morning, I get drunk in the afternoon. I'm kinda like my old blue tick hound, I like to lay around in the shade. I ain't got no money, but I damn sure got it made. And I ain't asking nobody for nothing if I can't get it on.
So leaving San Marcos, we had a successful trip with the 4440, 24,000 pounds. Heading back to Cibolo to grab the 4255, which is actually a little heavier. I think that tractor weighs in about 16,000 pounds. It's got bigger tires, a bigger loader. It's front-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully we have another successful trip. No flat tires. Back in Cibolo, home base. I'm gonna take that tractor back to San Marcos. So I need to get it loaded up. I need to, one, unhook the baler. Two, fold that rake up. and 3 loaded on the trailer. Alright, baler's unhooked, brakes folded up. Time to load this puppy up and get on down the road. Except for the worst part of this trailer, these heavy ass ramps. Perfecto. Good to go. Pre-trip check. Still tight. Daggone it. Alrighty, and we're off. Back to San Marcos. Dad finished baling cutting about 40 acres. We're gonna unload this beast real quick. Well, it's Saturday. He's baling hay. Cameron's in there. And we've been fighting it to the death, man. Rain chances come in. A little bit of rain got on the hay. Not a big deal, only like 1/10 of an inch. But we just we can't win, so we're trying to get it up today. Seen what was going on there. So here in South Texas, we're able to bale and rake at the same time. I know a lot of guys up north have to rake, let it set up in the wind. But and right now we're actually fighting that issue where we can't have the hay dry down quick enough. But anyway, one of those days where we're just gonna have to get it up and get on down the road. But what that was our 12-wheel flex rake. And Flex Rake's a company out of Alabama, Elba, Alabama, and they designed this rake. It's a 12-wheel rake, nothing fancy about the actual process of the 12-wheel rake. But this one's just special in that it'll handle a baler at the same time. So you have a PTO shaft running down the middle, and it has all your hydraulic couplers, and it runs your baling monitor harness all the way through. So very pleased with it. But here it comes. Yeah, so anyway, we have Cameron running the tractor. He's been working all week trying to we're knocking down 200 acres right now, and in between rain and cold. So we're kind of in a time crunch as far as the weather's concerned. We have a chance of a freeze coming, I believe, this week, but I don't think it'll be enough to nip the grass. So we're just trying to get after it. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy.